Is this the starting line? Wait.
Ready?
Everybody put your
third sheep.
Almost put your chick down. Come on,
third
everybody.
sheep, ready?
Claire, you wait. Your chick isn't up here. Right, everybody make sure you're wound up. Come on.
Line check.
All right, one. Lavina. Ready, set, go. Oh, mine's going backwards. Come on, baby. Come on. Keep going. There you go.
She's ready to come to me, just like.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Chippy.
Okay, people, what do I get for winning?
You won. You get the
there yet.
Chicken. Sharon. I'm gonna go talk to everybody. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yours has got some sort of ADHD or something over here. I don't know what the hell.
Mine just passed out. She fell over and passed out.
And the winner is... All right. My cat is gonna love this thing.
Look at the spaghetti.
Who's gonna? Let me see.
Sorry. Here's the winning prize. That's excellent. That was excellent.
Oh.
Great picture.
Don't stop. Come on, baby. Don't stop. Don't stop. The first one to get your foot wins.
Baby, go!
Ah, we got your foot.
Who's competitive?
You need a hand up.
I need a hand.
Here we go.
There we go. 1, 2, 3. Chicky.
Oh, this was on photo, not video. That sucks.
Okay, look. I need to get closer.
I didn't get any of it.
I think we need a video of this. Claire, you get out front with this, okay?
What's pan? Oh, pandemonium.
Okay.